possibilities to try. I know there are lots of possibilities, but sometimes it doesn't seem like it when you're standing in a field on your own. Let me tell you about it. It used to be my role, tied up to a pole, saving all the peas and carrots. But out in wind and rain, every day's the same, scaring off the hares and rabbits. And though I love this country life, and scaring crows is fun, I'd love to take a holiday and lay out in the sun. What can I be?
Hello, Digimon fans. Tonight we're gonna draw a coelamon, or it's named coelamon. I don't know. That's his name. He's from it. He first appeared in Digimon Fusion. At least I saw him on Digimon Fusion.
All I know is in this great big world there's endless possibilities to try.
Alexa, what is a coelacanth?
The noun, sealant, can have a few meanings. 1. A substance used for sealing, as sealing wax or adhesives. 2. Any of various liquids, fluids, chemicals, or soft substances that may be applied to a surface or circulated through a system of pipes or the like, drawing to form a hard, watertight coating. 3. Any of several transparent synthetic resins applied to the chewing surfaces of molars and premolars in young children and teenagers as a preventive measure against tooth decay and the inclusion of pits and fissures.
Alexa, what is a coelacanth?
The noun, colon, can have a few meanings.
Alexa, stop.
1.
The man who folds the milk cartons for a while, or I could watch paint dry, or maybe I could just be a scarecrow. Spud the Scarecrow! That's me, with a bit of singing as well, of course.
Alexa, what is the sea animal coelacanth?
Here's something I found on the web. According to nutrition.org, the animals received saline, pH 7.0, or HCI acid buffered to pH 2.6 or Coca-Cola, pH 2.6, per oz with 24-hour free access to these solutions.
Alexa, what is a coelacanth?
Here is what I found. According to Wikipedia, cola is a carbonated soft drink flavored with vanilla, cinnamon, citrus oils and other flavorings. Cola became popular worldwide after the American pharmacist John Stith Pemberton invented Coca-Cola, a trademarked brand, in 1886, which was imitated by other manufacturers. Most colas contain caffeine, which was originally sourced from the cola nut, leading to the drink's name, though other sources are now also used.
Alright, sorry you had to hear that, folks. Anyhow, that's I better sign off for now.